Hey guys, welcome back. I was still there here for you on top Oga Madam Show. Now we get this matter to chook mouth inside Women's Corner. So this woman and her, she and her in-laws them the clash, and somebody go ask, "Wetin go make you and your in-laws begin the clash?" So it turn to fight. So it turn to calling police. Wetin be the problem? The woman they complain say, okay, so it been start when they been married. Meanwhile, anybody where they watch Cameroon and Serbia, the match they very interesting according to it now they hear. Okay, but of course Cameroon doing the needful also. I like how you give me, I give you. Interesting. Okay, so this woman they talk say when she and her husband been married, her husband be never get work. Okay, been get work before they no get work again, and then the husband be they ask him say make it they give him in salary so that he go feed and manage him for house. And yeah, she been obey at the time, but later she come they wonder say okay why are they, then it come become when she come they receive her salary sometime come they slow am down. She no one talk say she don't receive salary, and her husband go they ask am when you receive a salary, when you go receive your salary. And so she been get talk with her elder sister one time. She asked her sister for money. Her sister say, wetin happen? You were supposed they give me money, they ask me for money. Say, say she they receive her salary when she give her husband. Husband go now use for things where he say for the family's sake, some like food and different things. And she self gas now ask him for money. The sister now said, what's going on? After they don't talk finish, she can't receive her salary for the month. She don't give her husband. Her husband can't ask her, say, when you go bring your salary. In can say you don't receive them, say you don't use them. Second month again, she said she do them for like 3 months. Either say the husband character change. He begin to shout. The next thing, he tried to raise his hands to beat them, but he no beat them. Then he noticed they can't they quarrel more often at home. They use abusive words on each other. And she can't talk say, why this kind thing? So I say, now me they give you the salary before. I say, no, if he give you again, say, I got use I'm doing that things what I got do. So why the bitterness? Why you they vex? The husband tell the family members. So in sister and in mama come house. According to her, she say now something we get to do with food. She can't ask say, what's happen to so food? The sister say she don't chop am. Say the salary where she they keep, make she use and go buy her own food. So she come say, how did the sister know about salary? Come ask the sister, say, wetin you talk am again. The matter come burst out. So she come ask her husband, say, why you go they discuss my salary with your family? Now the family now, the sister and the mama of the guy, they tell him say she no be submissive wife. Say any wife wey be say no go give him husband him money make he spend them, no be submissive wife. I really want bring this matter so that we feel chook mouth inside. First of all, a different angle to the matter. The issue of collecting salary and your husband demand that you must give him, they say na him go fit spend them well. One. The issue of okay, when you decide say you no go give the salary again, it become issue. Then your family members of your in-laws now, they actually family member, your in-laws now don't they involved in the matter, so they use them, they fight you. The woman herself, okay, child never come inside the marriage anyway. Now just two of them been married for roughly 3 years now. I get so many things where they run through my mind, but I think I'm going to just sit down one place and make I hear from you. What do you think about this matter, really? What do you think about this matter? And maybe get angle one, no touch. Maybe go help me touch them. Anything they wrong? Where the fault they come from? Which fault you see? Abi everything is right the way it be? Please, make we learn for here. And possibly relearn also. Are they pushed to talk? Well, no, I'm not going to talk. I want to hear from you. How you see the matter. Because remember, when I say I want to hear from you, I want to make you put yourself in that space. Imagine you as the man, or imagine you as the woman, imagine you as the in-law. They are different. You can choose any group where you want to belong in this matter. But chook mouth. So that either people learn from you But to confuse people or to derail them, they are allowed on the show anyway. So either they learn from you good, or maybe you keep your idea to yourself, so you don't derail people or teach them the wrong thing. Lagos, yes, you can even get more. No be saying a little, you go forget. Now, this women's corner, in case you just they join us now, talking about this woman where they talk, say her husband, they demand for her salary. But before now, she be they give willingly, but she don't tire to they give the salary. And then she decide to keep them to herself after she been get 1 or 2 conversation with her elder sister. And then she notice, say, it don't cause bitterness between her and her husband. So tell the husband even report the matter to his own family. And the family come house, come fight her concerning the salary. Say she no dey safe anymore. It can't be like saying because of her money actually. And the question where I asked, say the man know the work. I say the family they talk say now him be the head of the family, say need to put everything in check. I say plus your salary. I say I was on the fence. Slave no do pass like this. Slavery no do pass like this, so now they try. But I'm always for the support. Say everybody needs everybody. Okay, as a man, you go support your woman. As a woman, you also support your man. And now why you no go ever see me when I go support? Say, the head of the family bow. Now what I don't use by so many people. Use stress and suffer. Take kill people, because when they can no longer meet up, they no go gree talk, say we no go fit meet up, all in the name of head of the family, they go die for there. You see so everybody needs help now, but not be say you go come one collect person right from your hand. Okay, I been say I defense happy. Okay, I no remember. You go they remind me now. Okay, when I will say Esma, you have gone down. So that I can jump up on top of the fence back. Lagos in they try. But Lagos, you see they move on. I see they take your calls and they say, okay, I get voice notes actually where they drop in here already. And I get more messages to feel read out for you. Somebody say, good day, ma. The fault I see is because she told her husband her salary. That's why the guy decided not to work. Me, I'm collecting $600 as my monthly salary, and I told my man is 100K. They are paying me, and I still collect my money from him. I will tell him I'm broke. I don't have transport to work. I don't want to be exposed because of Mumu love. She's the cause. This one, you're angry. You're just angry. Yeah, remember what Kunle did to you. You're not using it to attach. It's too
far, ma.
Calm down. Calm down. Be calming down. Let love lead.
Lead you to give the salary.
But if love begin to do like say no where you dey go, drag her for shit.
Make you shout, help me, love they carry me go where I don't know.
Which kind? Why go? I go there. Why go carry me go? Me want to tear his shirt for back. You don't want to tear the cloth wear again.
Ma, please, you're on defense.
Okay, I forget. You go to tell me at times earlier enough. How are you, dearest in me? This is Esther. Esther, how are you? Lie. That cannot be done. Head of the family, but he's the head of the family. What are you saying? What are you saying? You don't have
saying, fam.
What are you saying though? He's the head of the family. So the tail go what? I don't know. I see be the head now. What you be now? The shoulder or the my shoulder, my knee, my toe. Choose the one where you want to be.
They all belong to God.
All of them plus the head now belong to Jesus. Yeah. This thing is just getting me angry. Why? You see, I have a guy. He said, I want to marry me. That's why he said, but I notice he's always asking me to get a good business. Cheche, he never married me, but his sister want to control me. Cheche, I do have power for that kind of relationship in the name of what to be a Mrs. somebody. Cheche, please, will God send single ladies out of heaven? My sister, no. I think you the singulars, and all of us the singulars will belong to Jesus. Plus the married and the
married to Jesus.
Wait, that one concerns that. See, listen now. Let me be very practical with you. We are the bride of Jesus. All of us. Plus the married though and the unmarried though. That's the irony of life. Now look at it. Marriage is your worldly activity, no concerning God.
Does not matter in heaven.
That's why you have decided. If see, they say people when no fit marry, may they date their own. Shebi can see get some people when no married. Do you understand? They date for so many places serving their Lord, their God. You where decided say no fit stay alone, one married, you go marry. Who they carry your wahala disturbing us. Your question to me, will God send you out of heaven? I don't think so. Because when you check it, angels they marry. So what's all these worldly things we are running up
Paul
and down?
no marry.
Who tells a Paul no?
Who you marry?
But all the things where you commit itself, who put marriage to him?
On
All
top
the
of
letter
his
where they
head,
write, they write up and down.
Ephesus.
I think Paul was a professor because I don't understand the love for right. Any pia, you don't send the letter. Pia, you don't send the letter. Why you go send Nigeria own? Because the situation never reach.
We need it.
That man no try at all because now two of them supposed to be bringing money to family, but now how come the little one way wife they bring? Suppose they even thank him wife. So I rest my case. Your name is Israel. No go answer Nigeria. The answer is Israel. Which one be Israel? You see this word submissive wife, they don't use and turn women to mumu. Grace, when you are talking, mention percentage. Because there is some percentage that word is not dictionary. Make everybody respecting everybody. The man should be aggressive. Okay. What kind of nonsense talk is that man talking about?
Joy.
What will remain now for you to beat me now? I think I'm the one. Now it's like he see me. You
go
see me as
your
the
head
man.
now.
They see me as the man already.
Who stole me?
Who stole my head? Anything where anybody know if you continue to death end the marriage, make the person no starter. It's very wicked thing to do on the part of the husband. Collect all her salary like small pikin, make she come dey beg for everything where she dey work. Is a no for me. She can bring part of the salary to assist him for the home. That is it. That's Dorcas. My name is Confidence. Let's see how confidential this message is. Now, I say, good afternoon, boss lady. Which kind was Katia man be this family member be that? Monkey go work, babu go show. I go call him husband, babu. Which one? I don't understand.
Call the wife monkey.
And call the wife monkey.
Call their names.
No respect for
for
married people or what?
What's
this word turning?
The head and the shoulder.
And the tail. And the knee. All of them could belong to Jesus. So what's all this brouhaha about? Listen now. I'm living my life serving my God. So that can make heaven is the goal. Not marriage. Simply it don't make sense at all. Willingly that man no get shame. Okay, that man is not mature. I can never give my husband my salary because he's not giving me his own. In-laws have no right to fight the woman, Momo Shuko. And secondly, both parties should sit and discuss issues instead of involving their family members. That's a man we're talking. Man has a point here. If you check it, if you really get I check it. If I get you right, Cheche, does it mean that I will struggle work at the end? The man will tell me that I will hand the money to him? Not possible. I think you got me right. That's the situation of this.
You're on the fence, man.
Okay, I be one appreciate the matter for her so she feel understand them. Shall we go on to voice note?
Good afternoon, Cheche. Mr. Fossa from Italy. I'm sorry there might be a little noise here because I'm at work. Cheche, for me, that man should go and work because it's not by force that woman should give her own salary to the husband. It will be when the woman she wants or the man will plead for it, not that he should be expecting the woman's salary. Thank you, Cheche. Now we really try. Let that man go work. If you get up and go and work, I'm at work now. Get better day.
The same way first day at work, say the man should go and work. Oh boy, if you're from Manchester, I see you.
Chechesmith, for a wife to work and give the salary to the husband to spend, there are many issues hidden inside. Maybe the woman has been lobbying for marriage to marry the man, and the man capitalized on using that to marry her.
Okay.
So she has already fallen a victim from the beginning.
Okay.
Under normal circumstances, it should not be so. For example, in Europe here, it do happen. But let me tell you the people it happened to. It is the people that the man is the one working and giving the woman, especially the man that has no document. So he has to please the woman for what he needs. It's not that it is right or what's supposed to be done. There is a condition that bends people to agree on such a condition.
Okay.
So let me not take much time. That is what I see, that people always bend to that condition. Thank you. Obuefi from Manchester.
Okay, another angle. I still get more where they drop. I still get somebody say here, I will say that the man is being controlled by his family. He's a mommy's boy and a lazy one at that. He said, for me, I won't tell him how much I earn as a salary. And the talk no go even reach there. Not even talk of giving him. Yeah, just an angry person. Hey, sugar, that man has no right to ask for his wife's salary, even if he was the one that trained her in school. The woman will only support when the need arises, which was very ideal, but the husband should go and borrow sense. He said, "May the husband borrow sense." I think we need informate. Okay, don't finish. You don't go carry information, go dash. I don't know where you sell her. Sure say you give that information, don't sell her. She understanding no they cause fight. So once you start to give and you stop giving, it's going to be a problem. Mommy Kingdom, they talk now. Cheche, now your commentary they make me laugh. Grace, that really commentary. People they chook back. You know what chook back? They there my commentary they make you laugh.